Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reading Arnica montana, common name leopard's bane, family Compositae. Constitution: nervous women, sanguine plethoric persons, lively expression and very red face, especially adapted to those who remain long impressed by even slight mechanical injuries. Mental generals: unconsciousness when spoken to answers correctly, but unconsciousness and delirium at once return. Falls asleep in the midst of a sentence. Says there is nothing the matter with him. Physical generals: sore lame, bruise feeling all through the body as if beaten. Traumatic affections of the muscle. Nervous, cannot bear pain, whole body oversensitive. Everything on which he lies seems too hard, complains constantly of it, and keeps moving from place to place in search of a soft spot. The parts rested upon feel sore and bruised. Must move continually to obtain relief from the pain. Head: hydrocephalus, deathly coldness in forearm of children's. Meningitis after mechanical or traumatic injuries from falls, concussion of brain, etc., when suspecting exudation of blood to facilitate absorption. Eyes: conjunctival or retinal hemorrhage with exposition from injuries or cough. Gastrointestinal system: belching, eructations, foul putrid like rotten eggs, dysentery with ischia, fruitless, urging long intervals between the stools. Constipation: rectum loaded, feces will not come away, ribbon-like stools from enlarged prostate or retroverted uterus. Female reproductive system: soreness of parts after labor, prevents postpartum hemorrhage and puerperal complications. Retention or incontinence of urine after labor. Extremities: gout and rheumatism, with great fear of being touched or struck by person coming near him. Cannot walk erect on account of a bruised sort of feeling in pelvic region. Nervous system: mechanical injuries, especially with stupor from concussion, involuntary feces and urine. Apoplexy: loss of consciousness, involuntary evacuation from bowels and bladder. In acute attack, controls hemorrhage and aids absorption. Should be repeated and allowed to act for days or weeks unless symptoms call for another remedy. Paralysis: left-sided, pulse full, strong, stutter, sighing, muttering. Fever: heat of upper body, of coldness of lower. The face or head and face alone is hot, the body cool. Injuries: for the bad effects resulting from mechanical injuries, even if received years ago. After injuries with blunt instruments. Compound fractures and their profuse suppuration. Concussions and contusions, results of shock or injury, without laceration of soft parts. Prevents suppurating and septic conditions and promotes absorption. Skin: tendency to small, painful boils, one after another, extremely sore, small boils in crops. Modalities: aggravation, at rest when lying down from wine, amelioration from contact motion. Relations: complementary to aconite, hypericum, rustox, similar to phosones as if bruised, baptisia, china, phytolaica, pyrogen, rustox, staphysagra. Arnica follows well. After aconite, apis, hemamelis, ipecac, veratrum is followed by sulfuric acid. In ailments from spirituous liquor from charcoal vapors, arnica is often indicated. In spinal convulsions, compare with hypericum. Thank you.